everybody, it's Michael Shalinsky, also known as Jomo Dad. We're just going to do a quick handheld cooking demonstration here today. I still haven't figured out how to use that cool gimbal that I got as a gift for my birthday. So what we're making is we're going to make Sephardic Style Avikas, and basically I chopped up some onion and a little bit of olive oil and garlic, and I'm going to throw some spices in there. Alright, after you get the onions just kind of glazed like this, you can go ahead and toss in your meat and beans. Can of tomato sauce, and then some water. Okay, I use this garlic paste because I'm lazy. Okay, this is chunky. You can get any kind you want. And then you just bring this to a boil, and then after it boils, you let it simmer for about an hour and a half. Okay, this is a cooking method, so you can put any kind of beans you want in there. Green beans, you can put black-eyed peas, you can put in lentils or lima beans. You can put in leftover chicken or leftover steak, or you can cook it with meatballs. Okay, you can use the fluid or not and serve it like a soup, or you can just remove it from the fluids altogether and just put it on a plate. Okay, there it is. I wanted fish, Mom wanted the steak, and I put a little cauliflower in there to add a vegetable. Alright, enjoy. Okay guys, I have some online stores. It helps me make a few bucks here and there. If you've got a chance or if you need anything, go check it out. I apologize, the prices are a little high, but they are one-off made, so take a look.